How to use Bloodflame Blade Elden Ring. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to use Bloodflame Blade Elden Ring. You can get the Bloodflame Blade incantation from a teardrop scarab located northwest of Rose Church in Liurnia of the Lakes. Then go to the site of Grace and use the Memorize Spell option to equip the Bloodflame Blade incantation. Equip the incantation in your right hand 3. It costs 20 FP to cast and 10 stamina. You can cast it while in motion. Once cast, your weapon will be imbued with blood flame, dealing fire damage and causing hemorrhage buildup on enemies. The effect lasts for 60 seconds. Pairing Bloodflame Blade with weapons that already have bleed effects like the Uchi Katana can be very effective. You can also use items like the Lord of Blood's Exaltation to boost damage when blood loss occurs. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.